All right, good morning, everybody. Hopefully you all enjoyed your 2-hour delay. Got to sleep in, drive your babysitters crazy, fun things like that, like always. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. You're going to have a crazy day today. You're going to have a fun day too. So you have music at 11, it's 11:15. It's right before lunch. Please take your lunch boxes. Don't forget them. You won't have time to go back and get them. Use the bathroom before you go. All right. And this afternoon, you're going to have fun with Mrs. Plosman. Charlotte, remind her to take pictures and send them to me. Thank you. Yes, Carter, I know you'll remember too. All right, buddy. Today, we're going to look at Chapter 6, Lesson 8. It wants us to guess, then check, and then revise. We're not going to do that. We're just going to solve the problems because we're smart. So let's look at the problem of the day. Write a number sentence. Remember, you can pause the video as you go. You need your whiteboards, markers, things like that. So it says Katie has 100 beads on her bracelet. She has 400 beads on her necklace. How many does she have altogether? Well, if it says altogether, we know 400 and 100, so those are my numbers. We are going to add. And we know simple addition of 1 plus 4 equals 5, so then we add our 2 zeros to make it 500. Good job. Rewrite the problems vertically. I don't have enough room, so I'm going to let you guys do that. So go ahead, pause the video, take as long as you need, do a good job, and start the video up again when you're ready. All right, you ready to check your answers? Go ahead and pause the video now to check your answers. Oh my goodness, they didn't even rewrite them for you. They just gave you the answers. That's not cool. Bonnie says hello. All right, mark the answer that shows how to rewrite and solve the number sentence 156 plus 119. Well, we know right away it says plus, so we can get rid of this one. Now here they did 6 plus 9 is 15. They didn't regroup. That one's wrong. Over here, they did 9 plus 6 is 5, but it looks like they didn't regroup because they have 5 plus 1 is 6. So I would say this one because they're going to have to regroup a 1 here. Let's check our answer and see if you got the same thing. Great job. Great job, everybody. Okay, guys, learn the strategy. So why don't you go ahead right now and get out my homework, page 393. Problem solving, 395. Apply the strategy, 397. Go ahead, rip those out, please. While you do that, I'm going to take a look at the my homework. Rewriting to add. You'll carry to the tens and the hundreds. You'll be fine to do the brain builder. You'll be fine to do the test practice too. Remember, you have a teacher in the room. Mrs. Plosman will be in this afternoon. She's got to do some stuff for 3rd grade. So, okay, they did the front for you, so you can just put a giant X on it. Whoop. Don't know. Don't care. Okay, let's flip it over. All right, so let's practice the strategy. A mail carrier delivers, forgot my pen, 143 letters. Last month, he delivered 850 letters in last month and this month altogether. How many did he deliver? So we're going to have to solve for the missing number. Now this one might be a little difficult. Some of you probably will get this, which will lead us into subtraction later on in the week. But let's use addition to solve it. So we're going to have 430 plus something will equal 850. Let me fix my 4 here, my plus sign. So 0 plus what would equal 0? 0. 3 plus what would equal 5? Luke, yeah, 2. Okay, that's what I got. So then I have 4 plus what would equal 8? Maddie, 4? Great job. So the answer would be 420. That's how many he delivered this month. Whew, that was like a brain builder to start off. I don't want this one. Put it in your mailbox when you're done. All right. I'm going to zoom. Oh, let me go back so we can all see it better. Here we go. A store sells raisins in packages of 130, 165, and 170. Rosa wants to buy 300. Which 2 packages will she buy? Well, let's solve it. I'm going to need to add to figure it out. So let's try 130 plus 165. 5 plus 0, 5. Well, it says right there that it needs 300, so it can't end in a 5. But I'm going to keep solving and see if it's right. 3 plus 6 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. 295. So that is wrong. So I'm going to erase it. I'm just going to hit clear off. So now I have to figure out, okay, well, 130 didn't work and 160. So let's try 130 plus 170. Let's see what we get. So 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 3. Oh, well, remind me later. I'm sorry, what'd you say, Devin? 10? Okay. 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, Kennedy. 300. Hey, those are my 2 numbers. Good job, guys. So I will need 130 in a package of 170 to make 300, guys. Great job. Oh, brain builders. So now we have to do, Alexa's ant farm has 120 ants. She buys another ant farm. She now has 300. How many are in the second? So again, we're going to solve for the missing number. So I have 120 plus what would equal 300? Well, 0 plus 0 will equal 0. Now it looks like from 2 to get to 0, I'd have to make a 10. So 2 plus what makes a 10, Sylvie? 8. Okay, let's try that. So there's a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, but I need 300, so I need 1 more. So how many total ants? Miller, 180. Great job, buddy. Heyo needs to read 3 books that total 500 pages. Which 3 books should he read? You don't need to explain it, but let's try and figure this one out, guys. I would say let's start with the biggest number. We're going to need 200. So we're going to write 200 because we know that. We're going to need the most, right? 200. Now, let's add 115. I guess I'm out of room over there. I have to move over. There it goes. So I need 100. Let's do 115 plus 150. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. So then I had 200 plus 204. Oh, that's not enough. That's only 465. Let's erase. That didn't work. So we know 115 and 150 wasn't enough. Why it's not erasing, guys? So I'm just going to erase everything. So I said 200 because that's the biggest number. Well, let's try 115 plus 185. And then we'll try 150, 185. This doesn't work. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 8 plus 1 plus 1. Miguel, 10. Oh, Miguel's not even there. He still got it right. So carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. What's 300 plus 200, Julian? 500. Good job, buddy. So we'll need to read the book with 115 pages, 200 pages, and 185 pages. Great job. Remember, pause this video at any time if you need help, guys. All right, go ahead to the next page. Mine's not turning. So, whoa, 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 whoa. Too many pages, guys. Let me go back. Okay, review the strategy. Yikes, got scared. So, we're just going to go ahead and add to solve for this problem. It says Claire counted 185 flowers on her walk. Her dad counted 139. How many altogether? So I'm going to have to add. So 185 plus 139. Okay, guys, go ahead and solve that one. I'm not telling you the answers. We don't want to do this one. Cross this one off. If you want to give it a try, Orange Group, go for it. Luke, you want to give it a try? Jax, go for it. Okay. Number 6, one pet store has 289 angelfish. Another has 132. How many all together? So I'm going to have to add these together. 289 plus 132. It's important that we write our ones, our tens, and our hundreds over top of each other, guys. Okay. Flip it over when you're ready. Pause the video if you need more time. And that looks like that is all our work. So let me go back to the homework, see if anybody needs any help with the homework. No, you're just going to add here. It'll be great. On the back, rewrite and add. Here you need to rewrite vertically the numbers. So that's 127 or 129, I'm sorry, plus 197, and then you'll be able to solve. Test practice, mark the answer that shows how to rewrite that. Well, they didn't carry, they're subtracting. So you're down to 2 answers there. Okay, guys. All right, so I'm going to post this for you to watch. It'll be here on Google Classroom. There's a math worksheet. If you don't get it done, that's fine. Actually, I'm going to move that around. I want you to do your extra math first. Then, you know what? Tell sub I said you don't have to do the math worksheet. So you have extra math, Seesaw, and then math games. On Seesaw, there's 3-digit addition and a goods and services page for after if you get time. Okay, guys? Do a good job. Have fun this afternoon. Mrs. Plasman, please be good today. Have a great day.